Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix HDMI no sound in Windows 10 and Windows 11 when connect to TV, or no HDMI audio device detected. The first step is go to the start menu and type services and hit enter. Scroll down and browse this option. Select Windows Audio and double click, and if you try select manual and start the service, select manual and click on start, or select automatic, click on apply and click on OK, or select this option, select restart the service, and this is all. Close the window and restart your computer to apply the change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.